Hi class, I just want to take a few minutes and chat with you as we close week 1. First, if you haven't taken the syllabus quiz, please go ahead and do that as soon as possible. Some of you have let me know that you're having trouble taking your second attempt on the quiz. If that happens to you, please let me know. I went in last night and it looks like everyone should be allowed 2 attempts. If that's not the case for you, let me know and we'll see what we can do to straighten that out. Some people have started to panic because they didn't score particularly well on that initial quiz. Don't panic. This semester starts really slowly. You acquire points very slowly in this class. You will receive a majority of your points the last 3 weeks of class. So if you miss 5 points now, it's a really big deal, but maybe not so big of a deal at the end. By the end of the semester, we would have acquired more than 500 points. So just keep that in mind. Things that are a big deal now, 1 or 2 points missing from an assignment, it's okay in the grand scheme of things. The harsh grading is going to be to help you on that back end so that you do well. Please go ahead and fill out that group availability form in the next couple of days. You will see it. I believe it is in lesson 2. Just go ahead and click that. You should be directed to a Google form where you pick a time slot that best meets your scheduling needs. As you do that, please keep in mind that we have a global classroom. It is not always possible to accommodate everyone's schedules. I know there will be some anger and some hurt feelings if you are assigned to a group that doesn't necessarily meet the time slot that you originally signed up for. Please keep in mind that you are not required to meet during that time slot. You are allowed to meet at any time that works for your group. For example, you didn't see that Monday at 3 a.m. was a choice on there, but if your group decides that Monday at 3 a.m. is the best time for you to meet, by all means, please do that. This is just used to help me a little bit as I put you into groups. Please be respectful of each other and each other's schedules and do your best to meet. But know that there is going to have to be some accommodation and a lot of patience on everyone's part. That being said, if you end up being a group member that for whatever reason cannot meet with your group, you must tell me. You must notify me on day 1, and you must be that group member that responds first to all emails and text messages, because you can be a really active group member even if for some reason you have a scheduling conflict. Keep in mind that scheduling conflicts do come up, but we need to be somewhat flexible. If you are working during that time, it's probably not something that you can change. If you would traditionally be doing something else during that time, studying, homework, sitting at a soccer game, those are things that maybe have a little bit of flexibility and you can participate in your group during those times. I know that we all have busy lives. I know that we have families and other things that we need to accommodate, but please be respectful of your group members and please be patient as those assignments are made. If for some reason you are the person that is at your child's soccer or baseball game when your team meeting is scheduled, it's okay, you can take the call at the baseball game. You'd be surprised how many phone calls, emails, text messages, videos are done for my son's baseball game. So go Tigers. You're probably going to see them this semester. I really appreciate your patience as we go forward in this. Let's all have a good attitude. It's going to be awesome.